Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9i and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the personalizations. Now let's tap on the wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got 3 different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So you can choose it from the photos, and this is actually your own gallery, from static wallpapers and live wallpapers, and both are pre-installed. So let me pick something from static wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. So all you have to do in order to check the preview, simply tap on the wallpaper, and as you can see it will appear on the full screen. So now you can decide if you like it or not, and if you like it, simply tap on apply. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And now we can go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Let's check the lock screen also, and the same situation, it is visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Realme 9i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.